Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this. Um, as we said last week, that we we analyzed this particular currency pair last week, and what from what we did last week. So from what we did last week. So from what we analyzed last week, that the market is going to uh, go to the downward side to this level. And if you check our previous analysis, you will see that the market just did what we analyzed for that last week. So today, what will be so what I said last week, that the currency is going to go down, and if you can see the market move. Let me calculate from where it will come from. Let me calculate from here. So the market move to this level. That's about 200 and something pips. So it moved about 200 and something pips. So today, let's see the overall view of the trade for us to make a right decision. As you can see from the trade here, so the market still showing on a weekly time frame. So the long term overall view is the market is on uh uptrend. But as you can see that the market is ranging, this particular market is ranging from this level here, from this level here. So it's ranging to this area. You can see that's where the market has been moving for some time now. So it has been moving in between this particular range. So we check the trend here. We check the trend here, shows that the market is moving up. See that the market is moving up, is moving up. So let's pick this area. So I have to delete that. Don't need it. So the market has been moving in that particular area for some time now. So let's check our opening. Let's check the opening price and closing price, the highs and the low for the trade for last week. So we're going to check where is the high and the low. So here is the chart for last week. So we draw the highest high here for this last week currency pair is this place, and then the low here. I'm going to change the color to differentiate it from the long term view. Here is the no, then here is the where the market closes. So I'm going to zoom my chart very well to see the clearer view. So I'll change the color. Let me change to yellow. Then the second one. The second one here, I always change it to the yellow. Then this also, I'm changing it to yellow. So you're going to adjust this to where the market comes from. And then the low. So that's the area we are trading from. So let me identify that particular area very well. We'll go to lower time frame. So we want to know what we want to do for this week. So we'll go to daily. So before that, let me first of all do something here to differentiate that particular area of the chart. Okay. So let's go to the daily. So from the daily, you can see that the markets move to the upward side on Wednesday. So the market moved back up and there was indecision candlestick here. And here is showing a the market is still forming because today is still very fresh. So today has not ended. So we have to wait for this trade. So on daily now, so the market has moved to this particular area today and it reversed back down. Actually, it's open from here and it has moved to this area and it's already on the down. So we'll wait for confirmation. So for us to trade for buy, though actually the overall view of this trade is showing that the market is going down, but there was a reversal candlestick here. This is a reversal candlestick on Wednesday. Have is very solid body candle, but the market range on Friday. Then today it's supposed to go up, but it has gone down. So we wait for confirmation for this particular trade. So we are going to wait to this area. This is going to be our entry, if possible, for buy. So we need to wait for confirmation before we place it. So here is going to be our entry, where the market opens from. So we wait for confirmation from here. So we are going to wait for confirmation. So that's what we are going to do. So wait for that to happen before we now go for buy. So let me put my this thing here. We still need to wait for confirmation before we go for buy here. So let's go for the sorry. So on 4 hours, the market is showing a sign of strength for down. So we need to wait for that confirmation before we place our trade on that area. So let's wait for confirmation for this particular trade. So we need to wait for confirmation before we place our trade. So I want to thank every one of you for your time today. So for USD JPY, we are going for a buy, but the market still going to sell. So if what we are proposing does not come, so the market is going to go down. The market is going to go down. The market is going to go down back to this area. If it's able to break this area, so it's going to come towards this area. It's going to come towards this side. If it break this particular place, so that means we are going for sell. So if you break that place, the market is going to sell. Let me change the color. So I'm going to make this color red. So that's what we want to do. We are buying if the market come here. I mean, we are selling if the market come here. Then we are buying if it comes to the side. Thank you very much for your time.